Hope Botanical Garden and Hope Zoo are located on Old Hope Road in the parish of St. Andrew. Today, Hope Garden is also a place for recreation, sightseeing and picnics, and more. Families and friends approach Hope Garden for their good times and celebration of golden birthdays as they wish. The garden is especially enjoyed by visitors, students, religious people, businessmen and women for their various engagements from time after time whenever they seek a quiet place for relaxation, studying, or wedding reception. Before now, in 1881, 200 acres of Hope Estate was purchased by the government to establish an experimental garden in a nutshell called botany, the scientific study of various plant species, their genetic structures, ecology, physiology, their classifications, and most importantly, the economic importance of these plant species. This is what Hope Garden stands for before now. Take your time and watch the beauty of this unique environment called Hope Garden. And if you like the video, kindly tap the like button below, share the video, comment and subscribe for the upcoming videos coming your way. Relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Hello viewers, this is Punch Natural once again. This morning, I just want to visit Hope Garden, where Hope Zoo, Kingston, Jamaica is located. I have been to this very point environment before, and I made a video in reference to Hope Zoo. But today, I just thought it as necessary to come over here to go through the compound, the environment over here, because the environment here is quite greenish and more fascinating, more beautiful. In my previous video, I just put my mind, focused my attention just on the zoo. But today I'm putting my mind across, focusing on the environment here, which is quite charming, attractive, and it's a place to be noted of to visit. In case if you are looking for a place to visit here in Kingston, Jamaica, Hope Garden is one of the places to be. It's a place for event center. You can come for one program or the other. You can go, make your research, and then have your own say. So this morning, we're gonna see how this pretty, amazing, charming environment look like, called Hope Garden. It is a garden indeed. I tell you, it's a garden. Just follow me to the end of this video. You will see what nature looks like here. There are so many flowering plants. The landscapes here, the nature here, environment here is worthy to take note of whenever the word Hope Garden comes to play. All right, just follow me up. This is Hope Garden. Take note of my word. This is Hope Garden. Very cool, quiet, and so charming. What you can hear here is just birds singing. and the air, the cool breeze over here, singing as well with different melodies. You can see trees, flowering plants everywhere. Honestly. Oh. Birds are telling me, welcome, sir. Thank you. This is Hope Garden. This is Hope Garden in Kingston, Jamaica. I keep telling people that Jamaica is a beautiful place to visit. But you know, in some Bible portions they say that a prophet is not worthy in his own land. Some of the Jamaican people might be thinking that I'm just exaggerating words because they are here, they can't see, you know. But when you leave your environment from a different country, from different continents, and you come to this island, you're gonna see a whole lot of things that will make you go, wow. Honestly. So this morning, I'm making this video to showcase the greenish, beautiful terrain of a place called Hope Garden, where Hope Zoo is situated in Kingston, Jamaica. All right, that is Hope Garden we are into. Hope Garden. People come here for their leisure hours. People come here with their family and friends. People come here to organize one event or the other. Government parastatals are not left behind. They come here to showcase and make some, you know, adverts basically on their products. You know, people come here, they rent this space for different kinds of engagements, plans. You know, in this environment, it's a busy place. Monday through Sunday, people come here for one thing or the other. And the most surprising and amazing thing is that they have zoo called Zoo situated right inside. I will show you a link to the zoo because I'm not going to the zoo, but I'm gonna walk and show you link to the zoo, because before you go to the zoo, you have to pay some cash. I have to book, then you go in and have a watch on the animals, how they live, how they interact, the stuff they are being made of. I think I'm gonna take a picture again. This is the access point. From here, you gain access to go into the main environment. It's like designated in two forms: the outside and the inside. Yeah. General, you remember me?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Long time, over some months now, I never come here. So I'm coming over here to shoot a little video. Just a little video anyway, because I've come over and made a video before for inside the zoo. You understand? But I never as the garden. Yeah, today for the garden. Yeah. Because some people that watch my previous video asked me to come and make video for the garden. But today I said, okay, let me come today and be. Long times the person told me that, but today I'm coming. I'm no longer here now.
No longer.
Yeah, no longer. Yeah. All right. Take care. This is Hope Garden in Kingston, Jamaica. Wow, this is rose flowers, man. These rose flowers. You can smell good, you can perceive the odor, the aroma. It's so pleasant, good. Wow. Yeah, we are visiting Hope Zoo today. Remember that bunch natural, it's all about talk, going places, meeting people, promoting nature, humanity, and our physical world. So I love nature, and anything I'm doing about this on my channel, about people, places, nature, and also talking. This is Hope Garden. I just want to take a total coverage of this garden environment today. As you can see, there are a lot of people here already for one program or the other. They come to do their thing. This environment is so wide, so big. Honestly, when you're outside, you don't notice it. But when you come in here, then you definitely understand what I'm talking about. It's so cool, so quiet. It sits everywhere. People come, they sit, they think. They have one program, one thing or the other, that's making them to come here at the first instance. And when they come, they're gonna go home differently. Honestly, if you wanna read, there are a whole lot of things to do over here in Hope Garden. Before, when I was new in Jamaica, I think coming in here has a bit restriction. You can't even take a picture. You can't even come in here easily. You have to book, you have to pay, you know, and there's a kind of regulation that will definitely make you not even not to come, because you can't even touch the flowers here because it's a garden. There are so many flowering plants scattered everywhere, things you have seen and things you have not seen in terms of botany, you know. So that is it. But today it's free. It's free. See, the environment is so big, so huge, you know, and they are trying to walk in here, keep it clean with clean cuts so that the plants here don't overgrow. If you are watching Bunch Natural, you will come across one of my videos in reference to Hope Zoo. You know, that was the first video I made in this location. But today I am coming here to showcase the entire vicinity environments of this place. Look at, you see, just look at this track now. You know, this place is so huge and so wide. There are a lot to do in here. I bet you, so many things to do in here. Look at spaces everywhere. Spaces everywhere. You know, so I think I'm gonna stay here and make a little zoom video. Let me zoom and see. Wow. Wow. Honestly, if you are living in Jamaica, you've never been to Hope Zoo, Hope Garden, I tell you, you are missing. You are missing. You are missing. Coming in here is free, but you have to pay for the zoo. Then if you have an event to organize, you have to make some cuts and pay, you know, because it's like hiring a space, you know. Got crisscrossing of the flowers. You know. Look. Like how they are crisscrossed, different dimension. Wow. So that is it. I think I'm gonna move to the next location. This is where I'm coming from. From here. This is where I'm coming from. Coming from here. Please pardon my footage. I'm making this video with my phone. You know, the stability of the phone and the stability of my camera, my professional camera, cannot be the same. My camera have a professional stability that it doesn't shake, but the phone filming, no matter how you hold it, you're gonna shake. Unless you have a professional gimbal thing. A gimbal will make it to be a bit stabilized. This is one thing people doesn't know. They thought that with phone you can do a whole lot of vlogging. Yeah, but if you can make it stationary. But in motion, if you're making a motion film shooting, you know, it's not gonna give you exactly the stability of what you wanted. You know, my channel, my videos, I make motion videos, motion cinematic videos. So I need something that will make my filming have great stability. That's why I'm concerned when my battery, you know, got burnt and it's affected my SD card as well. But now I'm gonna manage my phone to do what I have to do to put something across for my subscribers and my viewers. That's what I'm doing now. I think I'm done with this location. With this location, I have to move to the next location, going right inside. Right now, I want to take my time, one after the other, and show you guys the look of different environment here. You can see this garden, and it's a design, you know, for some reasons. I don't know, but when you come here, what you're gonna see now will not be different. How this environment look like, and exactly the same thing you're gonna see. This environment here, called Hope Garden, is big. It's definitely big, so big, so big, so big. I don't know what this place, what it represents, but it looks like a place made for animal. I don't know. All right. Looking for a place to rest and think. Hope Garden is the place to be. I'm telling you. Oh, it's like some people, they want to make something over here. Wow, you can see how beautiful this environment is. You can see this is Hope Garden. So I think some people are trying to organize an event here. You can see whether they have hosted or they are about to. I don't know. Trying to organize and make some program and event down here. So that's what's of the reasons this place is known for. See, kind of greenish environment in here. This is Hope Garden. Guys, even on how long I've been coming here, honestly, I've never been to this quarter. This part of the environment, I've never been here. I've been going just at the other end for one reason or the other. But I have some friends that work in here. And basically on my profession, the other side, I come here for one engagement or the other. I've never been to this part before, honestly. I've never been to this part before. Yes. You can see. I think I have to take a picture of this scenic, great view environment. See. We have a water fountain there. Let me capture the footage there and feel from it. This is water fountain. You know? Oh. The water fountain. Anyways, I think this one is doing a great work now. Because I've changed my mind to start using it. It looks getting more interesting for me to use it now. Honestly. But footage is so bright, and even though because of the vibration, I don't know how it's gonna look like, but I think it's manageable anyway. Let's see this environment. Alright, so we're gonna take some pictures now. Wow, this is Hope Garden, man. Honestly, I like what I am seeing. How organized this environment tends to be. It's well planned. The way they put up the flowering plants, different trees, different breeds of trees. Honestly, I like it. I think I want to take a picture down there. I think I want to take a picture down there. All right, let me just take a. This is Hope. This is Hope Garden. I'm making this video specifically for Hope Garden. Honestly, it's really garden indeed, because here different flowering plants scattered all over, and they take their time to make sure they make them look lively. You can see this just garden for flowers. So when you hit the word Hope Garden, it's not just a gainsay. It's a reality. It's a reality when you heard about the word Hope Garden. Please, it's not a gainsay, it's a reality. If you come here, you find out that this really garden. Indeed, there are a whole lot to see in here. There are a whole lot of things to see in here. Honestly, look at this space, man. Look at space everywhere. It's amazing. Okay. What a great thing. I will show you here. Give this a flash. Flash from guys. This is mushroom. I don't know. Let me make sure I get the exact picture. This mushroom. Wow. It's a mushroom, man. Mushroom. I think I'm gonna take a picture too. The path I'm going now, I'm heading up straight to the zoo. Honestly, I'm heading up straight to the zoo. Heading up straight to the zoo. Oh, this place is park for children. Look. Wow, it is a park where children come. Parents bring them in to come and play. Wow. Remember, I'm right inside Hope Garden. That's the location that I am right now. I decided to come here, although some of my subscribers and viewers asking me to come, that they want to see the greenery environment because they knew that here is quite green, scattered with different plant species. One of my best, can I call him? No, I don't. Let me just reserve my comments. But that subscriber is making me pretty proud of what I'm doing. She always comment and talk about, asking me to come over here and make video of the greenery environment here. This entrance now is, watch, when you get to this point, you are right in front of the zoo. General morning, parking for zoo visitors only. So if you are not coming to visit the zoo, you don't park here. These are instructions. Wherever you go, anywhere in the world, you look first of all for the instructions because there are norms. There are things to do and things not to do. When you go through them, then you know how to fix up, put up yourself. You line yourself up properly, not to violate any law that will get into trouble. This here now is Hope Zoo, but I am not going to the zoo. I just come over here to show you guys the entrance of the zoo, how it look like, because we have Hope Garden, then we have Hope Zoo. If you want to see the Hope Zoo, what it looks like, check on my channel. Just type on Google or on YouTube Bunch Natural Hope Zoo. As soon as you put that on your fingertip, click it on Google or on YouTube, definitely Hope Zoo will pop up from my channel. Bunch Natural Hope Zoo, that's all. Bunch Natural Hope Zoo. You will see the inside of the zoo, how it looks like. Because here, I come here today to show the environment about Hope Garden. I am not going right inside the zoo because I have already made a video about the zoo and my channel is there. So all you need to do is just to jump in and witness that. You see? So that is it. I am not going inside the Hope Zoo today because Hope Garden and Hope Zoo is one. It is one, but on different ideology. The zoo is for the zoo, the garden is for the garden. Yeah, all you are seeing in this video is Hope Garden. So you can see the environment is too large, man. Too large. Too large. See. Different trees. Different trees. The workers in here, they are doing a whole lot to keep this place pretty clean. See? I see people in there seriously walking. General morning. doing all this to make sure that the environment is pretty clean. Although that's what they're being employed for. This entrance now is going outside the zoo. It's an exit. Because when I was new in Jamaica years back, I come in here with my friends to fix and do one job or the other. Basically in my areas of professionalism, I come to help them and to do that. So I know look and cranny of this Hope Zoo. I know every look and cranny of the Hope Zoo. That is it. All right. Wow. Guys, you can see as I'm sweating. Honestly, this environment is large. Extremely large, honestly. And see how I've been sweating. So back on the stage, guys. Morning, sir. Yeah, back on the stage, this environment is so huge, so big. So you see, this place is so huge, so big that for you to go round and round and round and round about it, it's gonna take you some pretty time. You see? See? This environment is big and huge. Honestly, I see. Wow. And look at this tree. Wow. Oh, see, the environment looks so greenish, so greenish, so greenish. So greenish. If you think you like this video and what Bunch Natural is doing, kindly give me a thumb up, subscribe and share the videos. This will encourage me to do more in what I'm doing. Thank you. So this place I'm going to now have a different future. I just bought it out. It has a different future from the areas I've been before. Because so quiet, so cool. The air here is so cool. You know, if you have been into rainforest before, this is how this place now look like. So quiet, so cool. The air here is so cool to the body. You see, this Hope Garden, man, is extraordinary place to be. Honestly. See? Wow. It's like irrigation they made. It's an irrigation to make sure that the ground is watered, to make sure that the roots of the trees have access to water. And that's why you see them looking so fresh and so healthy. It's an irrigation. It's intentionally made. Yeah, see it now? It's an irrigation. You can't call this a water. Huh? But look at the water inside. It's very clean and very pure. It's an irrigation. Wow. See? So the kind of trees, plants that are here. Wow. Wow. So I'm gonna take a little picture here. Oh, look at this tree, man. Look like a pine tree, but it's not. It's not.